If you're in the Advance Payments program, this video walks you through proof of sale. What it is, when you need it, what has to be on it and how repayment works. Let's get started. Proof of sales are the sales receipts you provide to your buyers upon selling your agricultural product. The APP requires that you make payments toward your APP loan balance within the first 30 days after receiving payment for the sale of your crop. Therefore, POS is required to support your payments at the time of repayment. There are a few exceptions. Storable crops repaid before January 31st or via letter of direction. Non-storable products, so long as the producer's loan is secured with a pre-authorized debit schedule, they adhere to this schedule, and all payments are made before the end of production period. Overall, the APP works on a simple rule: repay as you sell. Once you sell and receive payment, you have 30 days from settlement to repay. Settlement day is the day you actually get paid. Sending repayment and POS early helps avoid last-minute issues. A question we often get asked is, do I have to send all the money I made? The answer is, no, you don't have to send 100% of your sale. For APP, you repay at least 50% of the sale amount, or the minimum required amount, depending on your advance rate and quantity sold. This keeps your cash flow moving while keeping your loan in good standing. To be accepted, your POS must include the date of the sale, the name of the seller, the name of the buyer, the product sold, the quantity sold, and the amount you received. Include all 6 items to submit your repayment successfully. The seller name on your POS must match your APP account. For example, individual must have your full legal name, corporation must have your legal or trade name on file, and partnership must have all partner names and/or legal trade name. If names don't match, we may need extra documents before we can accept your POS. The product listed on your POS must be a product that was funded under your APP advance for that program year. The quantity sold helps confirm you're repaying as you sell and helps calculate the minimum required payment. For APP, repayment is calculated one of 2 ways: either 50% or more of the dollar value of the sale, or the minimum payment amount, which is your APP advance rate, times the number of units sold. In most cases, 50% of the sale is used. If prices change and that's not enough to cover the minimum payment method is used instead. A penalty charge can apply when repayment is sent after the 30-day window, POS is missing or lacking the required information, or when the seller name doesn't match the APP account. Even if you send money, if the POS is invalid or missing, penalties can still apply. To avoid penalties, send POS as soon as you sell. Don't wait until day 30, double-check the 6 required items, make sure the seller name matches your APP account, and, if something looks off, contact an ACC rep before sending payment. Send your proof of sale by email or fax to repayment@agcreditcorp.ca. To avoid delays, include your ACC number and your business name. You don't need to send all your sale money, but you do need valid POS and timely repayment. That's how you keep your APP account in good standing. If you're unsure whether your proof of sale is acceptable, reach out to an ACC representative. It's always easier to confirm before sending repayment.